Good morning, internet. Or more like, it is afternoon. I guess it is afternoon right now. And we're super late, but we're going to the Bakeneko Parade today. It's a parade where people dress up as cats and dance around. And what else? Abigail.
Walk around.
Yeah, pretty much. But it's going to be awesome, so I thought I'd take you guys along with me and vlog it. We're meeting up with my other friend, Gretchen, who also has a YouTube channel. I'm really excited to see her. I haven't seen her since my last trip to Japan. So we're going to do that. But we're super late, so we're going to go. Let's go!
Hey guys, so I thought I'd explain a little bit more about what the Bakeneko Parade actually is. So this is an annual parade celebrated in mid-October every year. Everyone dresses up in cat costumes, if you hadn't already noticed, and walks down the main street of Kagurazaka in Tokyo. Although this parade seems totally random and slightly fishy, get it? It's actually the area where Natsume Soseki's novel I Am a Cat was based out of. And also Japan just really likes cats. I mean, can you blame them? You can either watch the parade or take part in it for about 500 yen. They give you a cute little cat bell bracelet to participate. I definitely would say participate in the parade if you're dressed up. It's way more fun, and you kind of feel like a celebrity with the amount of photos being taken of you. All in all, it's a really quirky and random parade to enjoy a Sunday afternoon.
Alright! Yay! How are my ears? We're here at Bakeneko with my two adorable friends, and we just bought parade tickets. They give you a little bell, which we all have. Mine. There we go. Yay! And so now the parade's going to start in about 10 minutes, so let's go be part of the Bakeneko. Let's go! We have a spider cat over here now too.
There you go.
And everyone's taking pictures of us, of course. Oh my gosh. This is a character from Kizu no Yaiba. Cat version. So cute. Alright, so the parade is about to start. Sorry. We're also right next to the bagpipes. So that's pretty great. Yay! So many people have been taking our photos, kind of ridiculous though, and we're not even that like, our cat ears are so small. Gretchen's a little bit better, like she's actually got real cat ears, but whatever.
Yeah, we're not even the most cattiest people
I
here.
know, it's weird. They just like guising, it seems like.
Cute girl.
Yeah. Can't help it. It's starting. We're moving. Guys, look at all the cameras. Everyone is taking our photo. Literally everyone.
I highly recommend my dog in this world. Hello!
There's so many cat kids. So the Bakeneko Parade ended. It was pretty short. I think it was only like an hour long. What are they photo bombing my vlog? So now we're just gonna walk around the main street of where the Bakeneko Parade was. I forgot what this area is called. I should probably know that. But I'll show you guys a little bit of that. Let's go! My friend's taking pictures of some cool guys in their kimono. So we stopped on a random rooftop to take some cool photos, of course. And yeah. We're taking photos, and this is a really cool balcony we found, and it has pretty designs. So that's what we're doing right now. Pretty sunset. Abigail's doing ballerina poses, of course. So we're at an izakaya, and they have so many options. I love how Japan puts pictures on literally everything.
Yes.
So much easy.
Easier to decide
Yeah.
what you want.
Especially for gaijin like us that can't read kanji.
Yes.
Whoa, we're so bright right now. Okay, whatever. So we just finished with the izakaya after Bakeneko Parade. I'm not sure how much I even filmed today, but I'm gonna end it here. We're going to a cat cafe. I might film a few cute cats, but as always, thank you so much for watching. Check out Gretchen's channel too. She also has YouTube, like I said earlier. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you later.
Bye bye.